Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. We're going to talk about the Shift key today. The Shift key can do a lot of stuff. If you don't have anything selected and you go down and hold down the Shift key and hit the rectangle tool, it put a rectangle the size of your page. That could be very helpful. Let's just do that, show a reason for it. Holding down the Shift, hitting the rectangle, and making that yellow to get a yellow background. Same thing if you have a object picked and you hold down the Shift key and you double click, it'll put a rectangle. Laser engraving, this is very important if you want to make sure it's going to miss a knot hole, because you can run this hairline with your door open so it won't fire. And let's say there's a knot hole right there and you want to make sure you miss it. The other thing that you can use the Shift tool for is, let's sporadically put, well, I got more than one copy. I made some duplicates. Okay, I'm going to take all these and I'm going to hit L to put them all to the left. Now you can see that, well, I'm going to make them a little bit different. They're not spaced out. Hold down the Shift key and hit the letter E or C, and it put them all even. Same thing here. Let's hit B to put them to the bottom. Hold down the Shift key and hit E, and it made them all even, spaced apart. The other one is Shift L. We're going to hold down the Shift and hit L. It moved those other two to the center line of the other object. The main reason I use it for is two of them, and one of them's coming up. I want to make this inner circle bigger. If I just grab it, you can see what it does. But if I hold down the Shift key and grab it, it grows from the center. The other one is select and deselect. If I want to round off these corners, let's open up the Dockers for rounded corners. And I just want to round the outside. Well, it'd be hard to select. Well, you could do it. Hold down the Shift and select each corner and then round them off. And see, it didn't round off the other. The other way to do it is called deselect. Select all the nodes and then hold down the Shift key and deselect the center, and you can go there. Same thing. Let's select them all and then hold down the Shift key and deselect the inside or the outside and hit apply. That way you get rounded corners. There's probably quite a few more things that the Shift tool does, but it's a really valuable tool inside Corel Draw. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.